Hello everyone, welcome to Small Terrible channel. Alright, so today we're going to give a follow-up of our upload last day or the other day about this free accredited CPD for teachers. So, do you still remember yesterday I uploaded a video regarding this Prospero teaching in which I took the online course entitled Safer Remote Teaching Online Course. And so that was July 12 when I took it, and just today I received this letter from Safer Remote Teaching results. So it says, "Dear Justina B. Asenjo, thank you for taking Prospero Teaching's online course, Safer Remote Teaching. To pass this course, you need a minimum score of 8 over 8. On this occasion, you were successful and scored 8. So click here to access further information related to this course. Please click the link below to download your certificate." So we have already clicked this download part here. So many thanks, Ellen Cooper, the Training and Development Manager, Safeguarding Officer, Team Tech Tutor. Alright, so we have downloaded already that certificate, and this is it. So Prosperity Cheat is to certify that Justina Villasenjo has successfully completed the online course Safer Remote Teaching on July 12, 2020. Alright, so how did we able to get or to score 8 out of 8 questions? So regarding the what's this the answer key, let's go back to our first uploaded vids, part 1 of this Prospero teaching. So let's just skim here. Yes, it's it here. So let's take a look at this vid, and hopefully you can get the answer key. So how did I got 8 over 8? So just take a look at it. You may use your camera there. So we took the online course Safer Remote Teaching. So that course comprises of 8 questions. So before you answer the 8 questions, of course, you need to fill in your data here, your information, for them to write it in the certificates later on. So it says this course requires 100% answers to be correct in order to pass the course. And for you to really pass the course, you just have to watch and listen to the video in full. But if you don't want to, you may just refer on my answers, because these answers are all correct since I got 8 over 8. Just tick the box there. I can confirm that I have watched and listened to the video in full. Number 1 question. Remote teaching involves many additional safeguarding risks compared to a physical classroom. So the answer is not listed as a risk. So it's remote teaching leads to more frequent misunderstanding and miscommunication. Number 2 question, why is it recommended that teachers use extreme caution when considering live video calls to students? The answer for number 2, video conferencing can create an unsafe environment. Number 3, video conferencing can create an unsafe environment for a number of reasons. Which of the reasons below are mentioned in the video? So the answer is all of the above. Number 4, are there any alternatives to video conferencing? Yes, there are many other useful options. Number 5, which alternatives to video conferencing were mentioned in the video? All of the above. Number 5. Number 6, all of the following could be issues when directing students to using video sharing sites. What was the specific issue mentioned in the video? So, it may result in age-inappropriate adverts being shown. That's number 6. Number 7, which of the following is not a way to minimize the risk of teaching remotely? So the answer is, teachers can or must ensure they call students on their personal phones and share email addresses. Number 8, while teaching remotely, do teachers still need to report safeguarding concerns? The answer is yes, they should report it to the designated safeguarding lead. That's number 8 answer. Then, just continue answering regarding your personal information there, so that you can click submit, because if you left one of the questions there, or regarding your personal information left blank, you cannot click submit. So for that part, you may just select whatever place you want to, so it doesn't matter anyway. So after that, you just go over to your answers. If all are already filled in, maybe some of the numbers there is not yet answered, just go over, review before you submit it. So we are making sure that all our answers are correct before we submit it. Then submit. So let's just wait for the email to be, for the certificate to be sent to us in our email if it's already if we were able to pass this online course. Alright, so going back, so after a day, so as you can see, we received the certificates that we passed the online course. Right, so we got 8/8. So for your reference, the answer key is the one I have shown you. So all my answers are correct. So you can just use it for your um, future reference. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in with a Small Turbo channel, and see you in my future uploads. Bye bye.